So the van, oh, this is a better look. Homeowner's choice. Owners.
Here are 10 signs your home has water damage. 1. Yellow or brown stains on walls or ceilings. 2. Bubbling or peeling paint. 3.
When you realize the health issues your family experiences could be due to mold. Oh my goodness.
47 rentals, you've got to keep your renters in mind. If you can't see...
Got mold? Take DRYMedic's Got Mold at Home Quick Risk and Detection Quick.
That was mine. The feeling you get when you realize that maybe some of the issues in your home are related to mold. Here are some facts about mold. This is my work. My work. My work. My work. Ew, what's that smell? Is that mold? Here's why mold is dangerous to your home. Health risks, potential structural damage, financial impact. Yep, so I already have experience on this, and I can definitely help you create some great content. Got mold. Yep, this is all my work. All my work. My artwork.
Are your kids breathing in dangerous mold spores right now? They absolutely could be, especially for homeowners in warm and humid South Florida. Mold
videos, my work. My work, my work. Yes, very proud of it. So we would be happy to do the same thing for you. Equipment.
Your home flooded while you were on vacation.
As the storm approaches, all my artwork. Use a little bit of humor. You get a hurricane, you get a hurricane, you get a hurricane. Yep, and I think that's it. And then you'll notice that it starts to
Instead of a line, it's 3 dots.
All right, so there you go. There is an example of...
What was the reason? What was the reason? What was the reason?
Yeah, that's the type of work that I've done in the past. Okay, thank you. And then this is my work. And then this is their work. We've just got simple shots.